My wife got some lights for the Madsen bucket bike. The headlight is lighting me up right now. You might hear some crickets or some highway noise, which gets louder in the winter here when the leaves go. So let's look at these lights. First I'll go around as if it's on a road. Then I might turn the fill light on the camera. And let's see how this Madsen would look at night. Well, it just looks like a giant light here. I'll show you the reflectors in a minute when I put my fill light on. Let's see. So that's not too much, but they're very bright. And I'll do a video now of with the fill light on. Alright, this is with the light on my camera only. You'll see that big thing above the red light, that big reflection is the vest, as if I was wearing the vest. This is how bright this vest is. That's not even a light, that's just reflective. So that's on, and there's a flag that's on too. I'm sorry about the wind. It is a bit wintry here in Vermont, and that's the vest from the front, except it'd be a lot higher up. Those are, wow, they look like lights, but they're just reflectors. Then you got the headlight. I'll get the brands of these lights down in the comments.